It's great that he's gone to Selma. It's great that he went before the NAACP National Convention. But what we want is real action, and nothing's being done in terms of policy. Stand up right now, Senator Portman. Do your job.
What we didn't hear was whether or not he's going to join us in support the Voting Rights Advancement Act, which is the piece of legislation that will restore the Voting Rights Act to full strength.
So did you ask him specifically to support it?
Oh, we've asked him several times to support the Voting Rights Amendment Act,
And
Advancement Act.